we're going to go through a couple of things you can do to upgrade the front end of your Mahindra Roxor. Long-term reliability is what we're going after. One of the things is put good cold forged spicer U-joints in like this one has. The other thing is the upgraded spindle seal. Is that a factory spindle seal, comes pressed into a slinger, and then the whole slinger is pressed into the assembly like that. This makes a really good mud scoop, but you know, unless you're just doing a lot of gravel roads, they're kind of a detriment to the reliability of it. Any water or mud or anything just goes in there and sets in there, and things go downhill real quick. You get water into your spindle and wheel bearings, and it's just not good. So you ditch that, and if you're this upgraded kit comes with a new spindle bushing. If your bushings are junk, go ahead and pull them out and drive the new spindle bushing in. After that, you put the big seal on, and you'll drive that flush. After that, you've got this V-seal, and we've had a lot of questions on what to do with this V-seal, and I was always going to make instructions, I just haven't yet. You take the V part of the seal, that goes out, so the flat side goes on here, and this basically acts like a wiper for this other spindle seal here. And then once you've got that there, and this would be driven in flush, you just put that all the way in, and now that the V part of the seal acts like a little wiper to keep dust and stuff out of there. That just helps to give this seal a lot more life. So that's how this goes together. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next Roxor video.